Today on the table I've got myself a faulty Asus F540S. Now this particular one has got quite a few dramas going on. First major issue that it's got, a failing hard drive, taking quite a long time to boot, or just mainly booting up to the recovery screen on Windows, and it's also generating quite a lot of heat. So the first plan of attack here would be to tear it down, connect up the SATA hard drive that's in this one, and give it a quick test from there. Now my main preferred program to do hard drive testing is a program called HD Tune, which I've been using that for years now. Purchased the Pro version and been very happy with it. Use it virtually daily. But this other one here, so the Asus machine, relatively simplistic, all Phillips head screws on the bottom. There's no hidden screws, so it's all very straightforward. So I'll keep going here. There we go, so with all the screws out, I reckon I'll use one of my favourite tools, which I have nicknamed the pizza cutter, which usually does a very good job of opening plastic or plastic joiners without actually damaging anything. So as you can see, it's peeled it up nice and easy. Now it is held down by a couple of connectors here. Now you can't quite see it, but there's a couple of flex connectors, one for the keyboard, one for the mouse. I believe there's a third one hidden under here. There we go. No, we've just got two. Now we're in here and we have one fan that doesn't really blow anywhere at all, and I'm not actually sure where it's drawing its air from, which is a quite bad design. Plan of attack is to remove the hard drive out of here. Very straightforward, Phillips head screws everywhere. Now I'm going to fast forward this next bit, and also the next part I'll be talking about is regarding how much dust is in these fans. One thing I do apologise for is the lighting. Currently my LED strip is dead. I've since replaced it, so in the future videos it will be back to a nice brightly lit work area. Another thing I'm finding quite hilarious here is the battery. It's using very obvious battery cells. Typically, most batteries in laptops are usually at least plastic sealed. But right here, it almost looks like if you had some dead cells or you wanted to replace your batteries down the line, if that's something you're willing to attempt, then this model would be very straightforward to do that. But yeah, 3 battery cells. Very primitively wired, but it does what it needs to do. Anyway, the next part I will get out the main board, which with most of the screws disconnected, the adapter's taken out. We'll get there in just a minute. Now from here, I should be able to get this board out completely. One thing I will show you is how filthy the heatsink is. Look at that delicious amount of dust. I typically call that smoker's dust, just because it's been a smoker that would have been using this, and that's how you get that really dirty brown look to it, which is certainly not fun at all. So that's all I've got for the video here, just purely a teardown. What I have done with this as well is put new thermal paste on there, clean the smoker's dust, clean the fan, fully reassembled it, and then this particular one also got a 240 gig WD Green SSD installed in it, which it is running a Pentium processor, so it's not a great or as great of an improvement as it could be, but it's definitely a good improvement. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.